this smells so good. Hey, my love. Here's your coffee, just like you like it. You're welcome. You like it? I just got it from Target. They have so many cute Halloween and fall mugs right now. I just had to get it. I had to get it. How'd you sleep? You're still worried about your new project, huh? Hey, look at me. You got this, love. You know you got this. I mean, it's natural for fear to come up when starting something new. I know, but fuck the fear. You got this shit. I know you do. I mean, remember how many business ideas and projects I failed until I finally broke through? Yeah, I know. Well, then see, you don't gotta worry about a thing, because I know how many times you tried something but it didn't work. But practice makes progress, and you're wiser than you were before. And wisdom on you looks very, very sexy. It's funny, this morning I had a dream. I was at some party at a hotel, and these girls from my middle school and high school popped up at the party. And these are girls that I wasn't really friends with, friends with, through other friends, or friends like in passing, through classes and stuff, but I wasn't like buddy. So I don't have any contact with them. But in my dream, I ran over to them and I said hi, and we were all dressed up. It wasn't like a reunion or anything. I was like just at some random party with some of my besties, and then they just popped up. So I ran over to them and I said hi, and I was just like eager, to like reconnect. But they looked at me all confused. And I was like, don't you remember me? My name, it's Brandy. And I addressed them all by their names. Like, I totally remembered their names. Like, in the dream, their faces were their faces. Like, how like the dream will kind of like fuck up a way a person looks. Like, it was exactly them. But they just looked at me all confused. And in my dream, I was getting frustrated because you know how when you're dreaming, but you can tell what's happening in your dream while you're sleeping? Yeah, okay. So it was like that. So I was getting frustrated because I was bringing up all of these things to make them remember me, but nothing. So I eventually woke up and it hit me. The past is past. When you let go of the past, it lets go of you, which means it no longer has a hold of you. It's like these girls from my past, like they were looking at me like they didn't remember me because it was in the past, But I was so eager to have them remember me. And I feel like sometimes we're so eager to hold on to the past, or we're so eager to hold on to the story from the past, when all we really need to do is just let go, but take what we learned from it, right? So the bottom line is, love, what happened before doesn't matter. The past has no hold on your present unless you let it. But what's cool is that your future, like your past, has no hold on you either. Because the only time is now, right? Truth, letting go of all of the illusion of the past and the future gives us no choice but to be present and just rest in it. Yeah, that's my TED Talk for you this morning. And I know, love, I know it's easier said than done, but one step at a time, right? You feel me? Come here. I'm so proud of you. And I love you so much. And no matter what happens, you will always be a success to me. Okay? Okay, let's get up. I'll make some breakfast. What you feel like, pancakes or waffles? All right, let's go.